trying to walk with a water bottle in your hand, a walker, is not safe. That's why a cup holder is very useful.
So what did you want this cup holder for?
To bring my drinks from the kitchen to my recliner. The walker takes both hands to use it. It also allows me to take drinks to my doctor's appointments without carrying it in my hand.
So what did you want in this cup holder design?
Simple and quick attachment to the walker, and also able to accept drink bottles and cups with handles.
So this is the cup holder, and it's designed with a slot in it. So you could either put in your favorite cup with a handle or favorite water bottle. How quickly was this cup holder ready?
From CAD design to finished product was less than 1 day.
Any final thoughts?
Now that the 3D cup holder and 3D walker skis are done, I was thinking about a 3D printed cell phone holders to attach to the walker.